Greetings, students. Today, in our e-learning session, we will start our day with a new chapter of English Reader, and that is chapter number 10, The Praying Hands. It is a very touching story of two brothers who cared so much for each other that each one was ready to sacrifice his dream for the other. So, let's start reading the story. In a small village near Nuremberg, there lived a Dürer family with 18 children. In order to feed his family, the father had to work almost 18 hours a day. The father was a goldsmith by profession. Goldsmith means a person who makes gold jewelry, means sunar. Got it, children? But he had to choose other paying chores, mean कमाने के लिए और दूसरे काम भी करना. Two of Dürer's brothers, Albrecht and Albert, had a dream. They both wanted to become artists, but they knew that it would be very difficult for their father to send them to the art academy. After many long discussions, the two brothers finally worked out a way. काफ़ी लंबी डिस्कशन के बाद दोनों ब्रदर्स ने फाइनली एक सॉल्यूशन फाइंड आउट किया. दे डिसाइडेड टू टॉस अ कॉइन. उन्होंने एक कॉइन टॉस करने का डिसाइड किया. द लूजर वुड गो टू वर्क इन द माइंस एंड विद हिज अर्निंग्स he would pay his brother's fee in the art academy. After completing 4 years degree course, the winner would work in mines and the other would go to the art school to fulfill his dream. दोनों brothers ने decide किया कि after tossing the coin, loser जो है वो mines में काम करेगा और अपनी earnings से दूसरे ब्रदर को आर्ट एकेडमी में फाइनेंशियली सपोर्ट करेगा, मीन्स उसकी स्कूल फी पे करेगा. आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग 4 years डिग्री कोर्स, विनर जो है यानी जो ब्रदर स्टडीज कंप्लीट करके आ चुका है, नाउ ही वुड वर्क इन माइंस और वो अब अपने दूसरे ब्रदर को आर्ट स्कूल में उसका ड्रीम फुलफिल करने के लिए भेजेगा. In this way, they both would fulfill their dream by supporting each other. On one Sunday morning, they tossed a coin. Albrecht won the toss and went off to Art Academy, and Albert went to work in dangerous mines to finance his brother. Albrecht was very good in art, and he got success very soon. His drawings and paintings were far better than his professors. He successfully completed his degree and started earning money. After completing his studies, Albrecht returned back to his village and his family hosted a festive dinner to celebrate his success. Festive means joyful celebration, means to celebrate someone's success. अपनी स्टडीज़ कंप्लीट करने के बाद एल्ब्रेट जब वापस अपने विलेज आया तो उसकी फैमिली ने उसकी सक्सेस को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए एक गेट टुगेदर रखा. आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग म्यूजिकल इवनिंग, द आर्टिस्ट ब्रदर वांटेड टू थैंक हिज ब्रदर एल्बर्ट फॉर हिज सेक्रीफाइस दैट हैड मेड इट पॉसिबल फॉर हिम टू फुलफिल हिज ड्रीम. सेलिब्रेशन के बाद एल्ब्रेट ने अपने ब्रदर एल्बर्ट को थैंक्स किया उसके सेक्रीफाइस के लिए, जिसकी वजह से वो अपना ड्रीम फुलफिल कर पाया. Albrecht told his brother Albert that now it was his turn to go to academy and he would take care of him. As it was decided earlier कि दोनों brothers turn wise अपना dream fulfill करने के लिए art academy जाएंगे. As he said these words, the tears started streaming down Albert's cheeks. जैसे ही एल्ब्रिज ने ये कहा, एल्बर्ट की आंखों से आंसू बहने लगे. He wiped his tears and said that it was too late for him to go to the academy because the bones of his fingers were smashed. उसकी fingers की bones टेढ़ी मेढ़ी हो गई थी. He was not able to hold even a pen or brush to the canvas. Canvas means a board used for painting. Holding his brother's hands, Albrecht burst into tears and got emotional. He drew his brother's hands with palms together. उसने अपने brother के skinny hands की एक drawing बनाई and named it hands. But when that drawing came into market, the entire world was so touched by this great masterpiece that the people renamed it by the praying hands. Really, it was a great tribute of love and sacrifice. It is a story of more than 450 years back, but the paintings, the sketches and the portraits of Albrecht are still kept in every great museum in the world. Now students, what have you learned from the story? The story teaches us that we should never forget the sacrifice of others which they have made for our success in life. We should always respect them and care for them as what they did for our happiness. Students, watch this video and listen to the story attentively for better understanding. Thank you. Enjoy learning.